Alright, so today we'll be talking about a natural monopoly. So all you need to do, so there's always always your regular price and quantity. Then there's your regular demand curve, your marginal revenue. Then there's your marginal cost. Then there's your average total cost, like this. So we'll talk about the socially optimal point, the fair return point, and the profit maximizing point for a natural monopoly. So in order to show where the profit maximizing price is, so the profit maximizing price is, I'll put that in red. So that's where MR equal to MC. So you find where MR and MC meet. That's the that's the dot. So that's the quantity produced at profit maximizing, and then to find your price at that point, you need to dot up to the demand curve and dot over. This will be your price at profit maximizing. So let's go back to about the natural monopolies. They're like things which people can't, like, it's like big firms or not much, like you can't really, there's not many competitors like the sewers. There's only one sewage company, electric companies, stuff like that. Those are all examples of natural monopolies. Alright, so let's go back to finishing this. So now we can find the fair returns. So fair returns is where ATC, I'll draw it in blue. Alright, so let's go back to this. Let's talk about ATC. So average total cost. Okay, so let's talk about fair return. So I'll put that in blue. So fair returns, you find that, you put the dot where ATC is equal to your demand. So right here, this will be your fair returns quantity, be your fair return price. Okay, so now there's one more. Socially optimal. So socially optimal, I'll put in green. It's where MC is equal to the demand. So that'll be right here. That's the socially optimal. So that's the point where the people want it to be. So they want this much quantity for this much price. So it'll be the quantity socially optimal. You dot over. This will be your price at socially optimal. So if it goes unregulated, this monopoly, the firm or the monopoly will usually produce at profit maximizing. So to make profit, but if it's regulated, the government won't let them produce at that much. They'll probably produce around socially optimal or fair return, or if they are producing that low, they could give them a subsidy or something like that so they can make money. Because at fair returns, they're making zero profit, and at socially optimal, they're losing money. The cost outweighs the benefit. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.